Deep copy of a dict in Python. I would like to make a deep copy of a dict in Python. Unfortunately, the .deep copy method doesn't exist for the dict. How do I do that? The last line should be 3. I would like that modifications in my _dict don't impact the snapshot my _copy. How do I do that? The solution should be compatible with Python 3.x.
How about Python 2 or 3?
Dict.copy is a shallow copy function for dictionary. It is built-in function that gives you the address of variable. First you need to understand why is this particular problem is happening. The address of the list present in both the dicts for key A is pointing to same location. Therefore when you change value of the list in my _dict, the list in my _copy changes as well. Solution for data structure mentioned in the question. Or you can use deep copy as mentioned above.
Python 3.x. Which would yield. Without new _dict equals deep copy original _dict, E element is unable to be removed. Why? Because if the loop was for key in original _dict, and an attempt is made to modify original _dict, a runtime error would be observed. So in order to modify a dictionary within an iteration, a copy of the dictionary must be used. Here is an example function that removes an element from a dictionary. Rob suggested a good alternative to copy.deep copy if you are planning to create standard APIs for your data, database or web request JSON payloads. This approach is also thread safe. But it only works for JSONifiable, serializable, objects like str, dict, list, int, float, and none. Sometimes a JSONifiable constraint can be a good thing because it forces you to make your data structures compliant with standard database fixture and web request formats, for creating best practice APIs. If your data structures don't work directly with JSON.dumps, for example datetime objects in your custom classes, they will need to be coerced into a string or other standard type before serializing with JSON.dumps. And you'll need to run a custom deserializer as well after JSON.loads. Of course you need to do the serialization and deserialization on special objects recursively. Sometimes that's a good thing. This process normalizes all your objects to types that are directly serializable, for example tuples become lists, and you can be sure they'll match a reproducible data schema, for relational database storage. And it's thread safe. The built-in copy.deep copy is not thread safe. If you use deep copy with an async code that can crash your program or corrupt your data unexpectedly long after you've forgotten about your code.
Support the channel, please problem.